This is referred to as an adhesive phone holder. It's the difference between facial tissue and Kleenex, right? Hi everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing the Happy Planner plus Amy Tangerine Be Happy box. This is the first Happy box because I know they've had them before. This is the first one I've gotten. I bought this with my own money and I decided I was going to get it for two reasons. One, I love Amy Tangerine and I love supporting her. I mean, shit, I have the stamps from her collection and I don't even fucking stamp. And two, the tote bag in here was the thing my eyes were lit upon. I am a sucker for a good tote bag. I actually didn't look too closely at anything else that's in here, so this is going to be mostly a surprise for me, and I may wind up giving some of this away when I do my big 50K subscribers giveaway that will be coming, but as a lot of you know, my life is basically chaos right now, so I haven't had the chance yet to get it together. Anyway, let's get right into it. This box was $49.95, something like that. $49.99, and then the shipping was $7.95, and it came super fast. Once they shipped it like the day after I bought it, and it got here like 2 days later. So I live in California and it's in California, so that might be part of it, but I'm pretty sure it's priority shipping. So yeah, so let's get on into it. So the tissue paper is rainbow, very Amy Tangerine, and it has in her lettering, "Happiness looks good on you." That's so cute. All right, so what do we have? This looks like a Amy Tangerine pop socket, question mark. I don't think it's the pop socket brand, but it's the pop socket style. It's a phone holder, is what they're calling it. That says smile, that's very cute. Be Happy box. This has foil on it that says happy. Happy things inside. Ah, so this is like the mailer that says all the things that are in here. So this is referred to as an adhesive phone holder. It's the difference between facial tissue and Kleenex, right? Now it doesn't give a dollar amount on any of these things. I feel like somewhere they said something about how you pay X amount of money, but it has X other amount of money in it. I don't remember what that was. So we're basically just thinking, is this worth the $50? For my total price was $61.56 between shipping and tax. So is it worth it? Let's find out. There's the pop socket. Here is an Amy Tangerine and Happy Planner sticker book. And I already have a sticker book of Amy Tangerine's and I absolutely love it. So these feel like they are transparent stickers, just a bunch of quotes in Amy's beautiful lettering. More transparent stickers with like, it looks like spray ink kind of a style. Sorry if I sound super nasal, my allergies are still kicking my butt. More little spray ink situations. These are not transparent, these are on matte sticker paper. Happy Planner sized boxes with Amy Tangerine styled lettering. Same thing, except these ones also have gold foil. And these also are like strips down the sides. There's a couple different sizes of strips. These ones have foil. And then these are like, looks like they're meant to be kind of functional. They have foil. They say later, today, big plans, happy, hello, make stuff happen, now, start now, XOXO, things like that. These ones are transparent. These look like there are a lot of quotes and then just some happy things. I really like these. The only one I'm struggling a little is this one, and I feel like having the colorful drop shadow makes it kind of look a little bit like the printing is off. I don't know if that's the case or if it's just the look of the style, but the rest of these are all really clearly printed and really vibrant. Here's a bunch of dates. I love that. And numbers. Also transparent, by the way. This is matte sticker paper, and these are much more Happy Planner styled boxes, but with Amy Tangerine's color palette. And then a bunch of hearts and other like doodads to put on your planner on transparent stickers. Basically like do it your like sticker doodles for you. That's a nice sticker book. I like this. I'll probably make a lot of use out of that. Craft a life you love. What is this? This is a spiral bound desk calendar. Ooh. I don't have room for shit like this, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep... I don't even know already. Am I going to keep this? Maybe. It has the Craft a Life You Love on the front, and it's paper, and it has the foil. And this is all foiled. It starts July. It's a July start. Here it's got the whole of 2019 on it. And then it's a July start. And it has this little stand here so you can stand it up. That's really cute. If I have room for this, I might hang on to it. I don't know if I have room for it or not. If I don't, I know who I'm going to give it to. Probably one of my sisters. So, all right. So then this is a Happy Planner dashboard? Question mark? That's really cute. But since I don't really use, unless I decide to use the Happy Planner for my wellness planner, I'm probably not going to use this. So I will likely give this away. That's cute. And then here is some filler paper for the classic sized Happy Planner. So it looks like it's all the same. It gives you a grid on one side with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for big ideas on the other, and then the back says remember this, and it's a dot grid. And it says it's 20 sheets. And then this is the planner. It's a classic size planner with foiled cover and rainbow discs, which I think is super cute. That it has a bunch of different languages saying hello. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. For the calendars. Here is like the perpetual kind of planning ahead calendar. Reading, watching, loving, eating, drinking, focusing, creating, dates to remember, and do all the things. It's got the American holidays on it. And then here is the divider. This is really pretty. Like, it's not neutral. I wouldn't use this even if I like the discs. But it is a gorgeous color scheme. I love this rainbow. If you are into rainbows, this would be your jam. And I love the little details, kind of little doodly details that are throughout it. It says life is fantastic. This one says you are so weird, don't change. It's just a bunch of sweet little comments here on the bottom. So this is a beautiful planner. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use it because it's the discs and everything else, but I think this will make a great addition to my giveaway, so keep your eyes open for my 50K giveaway. But that's really lovely, and it like screams Amy Tangerine, which I think is great. And then there's some washi tapes here. They're 6mm washi tapes, 3 rolls. This one is doodly white on black. This one is like a basic rainbow. And then this one says dream, inspire, create on it, and it's also rainbow. So those are cute. I will always take some skinny washi. And then finally, the reason I wanted this box in the first place, the tote bag. It's a nice hearty size. It's very durable feeling. It's like a nice thick canvas. It's Plan a Happy Life with the Happy Planner Amy Tangerine on it. And on the back it says create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. These aren't pockets. These are just part of it. So it's just one pocket, but it's a nice big bag. Would work really well for carrying my music. And I love this bag. So overall, this is the box. Out of everything in here, I think that the coolest is the bag, but I'm biased. I really enjoy this. What am I going to keep and use myself? For sure. I'm going to keep the bag, the washi tape, potentially the dashboard, the sticker book, the pop socket, the adhesive phone holder, and potentially the calendar. For sure, all of these things, potentially these 2 things. And then the things I know for sure I'm going to be adding to a giveaway are the filler paper and the planner. So do I think this was worth the cost of the box? Yeah, I think you get plenty of stuff in here. I feel like you're getting your money's worth if you bought the box. The real question is, are you going to use all of it? If you're not a happy planner person, because like I know for a fact there's stickers in this book that are not going to work well in my planner because it's smaller than a happy planner, but hopefully I'll find a use for them, like, or at the very least I can give some of those away. I'm not sure. But as for like these things and potentially the dashboard, they're not things I would necessarily use. And I knew that going into this box that I'm not going to probably use any planner related things. I want the accessories basically. So if you think you're going to use the stuff in a box like this, I think it's still available as of the recording of this video. My final say on this is that it is absolutely worth the money. However, you shouldn't just go out and buy it because you want to buy things. If you think you're going to use the stuff in it, then it could be worth the money. If you're not going to use the things in it, I don't care how much shit is in there. It's still not going to be worth the money. So for me, all of this together and the fun of getting to open this, for me, it was worth it. So that's my final thing. In the comments below, let me know your opinions on the stuff on in this box. Would it be worth the money for you? Is there stuff in here that you might want, or stuff that you're like, not really? Let me know in the comments below. And maybe as a bonus, is there somebody who would put like their name or their stamp on it? Like for me, it was Amy Tangerine. I was like, hell yeah, Amy Tangerine. If she did something with them, I want to get it because I want it. I love her aesthetic and everything else. I'd love to know from you in the comments, is there somebody where you'd be like, fuck yeah, and go buy it? Let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.